Hey guys, what's up? It's Selena from Singing Carrots, and today I want to show you how you can use our active pitch training on the website. Pitch training is a tool that helps beginning singers to learn how to sing in tune, but it may also serve more experienced singers as a portable warm-up tool. Let me show you how it looks like.
Let's go and get started. So this is an exercise, and you of course should be wearing headphones to listen and hear the sound correctly. Listen to the note. La indimitated. That's how this is going to be. You always listen to it first, then check if you can sing it, if you find the right starting note, and then you can test yourself. Let's listen to it once. La 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 la. Okay, this is quite easy for me, and if it isn't for you, you can listen to it as many times as you want. Also, it was kind of a good starting note for me, but you can also, just to show you, go lower if it's not, like if you feel like you just cannot sing that high. Da, 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 da. That's too low for me, so I'm gonna go back, but just so you know, you can change the starting note here. Let's test it now. La 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 la. Cool, great job. And just to explain it once, you have these blue boxes coming down going towards the key. That's the key you're supposed to sing. If the box comes out green, you sang the note correctly. If it comes out yellow, you didn't sing it correctly. Sometimes it's also partly green and partly yellow because you might be using vibrato or another sound the computer doesn't understand. So try to sing the notes as clear as possible without vibrato, for this at least. Yeah, this was the major scale going up and going down. And again, you can change the starting note and listen to it as many times as you want, but I'm gonna test it right away. La 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 la. Cool. Let's continue. So this was the test mode here on the left side. It's kind of a cool mode. You always have an exercise, you do it once, and you see directly how many notes you hit and how many notes you didn't. But there is another mode called the play mode, which I'm going to show you, and it's only available when you log in. So with the play mode, you have the option to continuously repeat the exercise going up or down. So this is a very nice tool to warm up. In general, this whole website and all of these levels are not only for beginning singers that want to learn to sing on pitch, but also very practical for more experienced singers that need exercises for range extension and agility. Furthermore, all of these levels can be used as a warm-up tool, especially for those who don't have a piano, because it gives your voice a context and you can directly see if you sing in tune or not. Okay, so let's go to the play mode just so you know what I'm talking about. Enable the microphone, and here you see the first difference. You press on play, and if you want the exercise to continuously go up, you press on this arrow, but you can also let it go down or repeat it. Again, here are the starting notes. If you feel like E3 is too low, I know that it is too low for me, so I'm going to go to A3. You can change it here. And this is the BPM, so beats per minute. I think 100 is kind of fine if you want to do it faster because you feel like you're better or you've gotten better and you can continue with doing it faster. Do so. I'm going to start with 100. And if it's too quick, you can make it slower as well. Let's start. La 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 la. And it always gives you the starting note. La 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 la. So how you just heard, you first get the starting note and then the exercise starts. So you have a bit of time to get to this starting note. La 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 la. La 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 la. Up. La 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 la. Goes further up. La la la. Now I want it to go down again. La 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 la. And now I want it to repeat. La 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 la. So I guess you get the idea. You can continue doing this endlessly, practicing your heights, your lows, your mids, everything. And yes, well, these are the play modes. You have that with every level when you log in, and the first 3 levels are for free completely. And when you want to continue with some more special exercises, I would say, then you have to, pay for it. But it's fine, because I think these exercises are super practical, especially if you don't have a piano. Keep that in mind. You can do it from everywhere, just practicing, like in the car, in the train, at home, while washing the dishes. It doesn't matter. And well, I hope I could help you with this video and with the explanation of all of this. If you still have any questions, let me know. By the way, before I forget, here you can see your progress, how your voice or how your exercises develop, and over here you have the leaderboard and the Hall of Fame, where you might get at some point. These are all the different people that also use this website to improve their singing. And I also use it. I like it a lot. I hope you'll try it at least and see if it works for you or not. And even if you don't, never stop singing.
Singing carrots